Well, hello there, YouTube. I got the Hero 7 black out so I could use this remote, and they won't even pair anymore. I put them both in the pairing mode. They don't even recognize each other. So I'm 9 black, and it doesn't work with this remote. So now you got to buy another $80 remote just to use the Hero 9 black. It doesn't work with the other smart remote. I even got the media mod for the Hero 9, and man, that sucker, that whole thing is just so heavy on the front of a helmet, you get a neck ache from it. So that's why I went with this, but now the remote won't connect. Anyway, today is January 13th. It's Wednesday. I took the day off. Sunday we got 5 inches of wet snow. I had to get a plastic dustpan and shovel it off my car. It's like 5 inches of wet snow on it. And I was calling my mom to make sure she's okay, and she's not answering her phone. So I called her for an hour and a half, and she's not answering her phone. I think, oh crap. She's 85. So we're in the car driving in 5 inches of snow. The roads are just absolutely 5 inches of snow on them. There's tracks for cars, and there's this line of cars moving like 5 miles an hour for like 15 miles. So it took me forever to get over there. And then the pickup truck's trying to get started on a hill. They can't even get going because there's no weight in the back, so they're stuck on the hill and can't move. And we all got behind this one lady, and I didn't realize, I followed her all the way, and she was just some young girl, flashers on 5 miles an hour the whole time, thinking, oh my lord, it is slippery. Yeah, you got to leave a lot of room, because you can't just all of a sudden hit the brakes and think you're going to stop. So everybody's being careful. I did see wrecks. I saw a lot of cars in the ditch like morons. These people in Texas, they get a little snow, man, they try and get out and drive and they can't. Just wrecks everywhere, cars and ditches. I only went out because I had to, just to go check on my mom, and it's everything was okay. Somebody hit a pole and knocked the power out in the entire neighborhood, so she was without power. So it was kind of crazy. Oh well, we made it there and back, and by the time we made it back, the roads were melted, and there was just slush right in the middle, so you could get going a lot faster, 55, 60. So made it home fine. We should have waited for it all to melt, because it was just really coming down. It was kind of like, have never seen that in South Texas before. Noisy piece of crap. It's an old one. Have never seen that in Texas before. And we've had some snow flurries and a little bit of snow before, but we've never had a really wet snow that stuck. And it's absolutely never stuck to the roads before, but this was the first time. We had like 5 inches. It was kind of cool. Everybody's building snowmen. Everybody's finding hills and sledding down hills like in inner tubes and whatever they could find. That's kind of neat. Bah. And I just have sweatpants on, so let's see how this. I got the 7 black. It's a little bit lighter than that Hero 9. It's just like a tank on the front of this thing. It's like big, and the media mod, it's just, oh my lord. I like it. It shoots really good video, but man, is it heavy. So, I'm recording. Yep. Come on, brake. Thought I turned it off when I turned the key on. I've done that before, and it releases, but then that little red light just keeps flashing. So what you do to fix that, if you take off and you got your emergency brake on, you start to move and you hear the beep, and if it doesn't go off, it just sits there and flashes while you're driving, turn it off, walk away, take the key and walk away, just walk away for a few minutes, put it back in, and it's fixed. You got to take the key out because they're smart keys, so you got to walk away and just put it back in and everything's fine again. Let's see if this will work now. Bye.